Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing the YouTube app when dark mode refuses to turn on or keeps switching back to light mode. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First, we need to make sure the setting hasn't simply reset itself after an update. The location of this setting can be tricky. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the Settings gear icon at the top right. Select General and then look for Appearance. Here is the important part. If it is set to Use Device Theme, YouTube will only turn dark if your entire phone is in dark mode. To force it, manually select Dark Theme from this menu to override your system settings. If the option is missing or the screen flashes white, your app's temporary data might be corrupted. Go to your phone settings and select Apps. Find YouTube in the list and tap on Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data unless you want to reset all your settings. Force close the app and reopen it to see if the dark theme loads correctly. Note, for iPhone users, you cannot clear cache this way. Instead, uninstall and reinstall the app to achieve the same result. If you are on Android and the app is still bright, we can force the phone to paint it black using a hidden developer setting. Go to Settings, then About Phone, and tap Build Number 7 times to unlock developer options. Go back to System, then Developer Options. Scroll down until you find Override Force Dark or Force Dark Mode and toggle it on. This forces all apps, including YouTube, to render in dark mode even if the app itself is glitching. And that's it. Your eyes are now safe from the blinding white screen. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.